Hello, welcome back. So we have already seen how to create a farmer account, and on to our next step is how we'll be able to sign in into Mkulima Digital platform. So after successfully creating an account, we'll put your details here, email address and password, and don't forget to click on farmer's account so that it can log you onto the right place. So upon writing all these correct details, the next step is signing in. So when signing in, it will display for you this wonderful message that is welcome back. My name, maybe it's Evans Omwer. So it is welcome back, Evans Omwer. And on the dashboard, you can be able to see total sales, total expense, net profit, sales and expense overview. So this is how simple it is to sign in into Mkulima Digital platform after creating